Quick disclaimer before the video begins. I know there's two different audio setups. I'm sorry about that. There were some technical difficulties, and to get this video out on time, I tried my best to overlay. You'll understand what I'm talking about in a second. But besides that, I hope you guys still enjoy that. And don't worry, the next video will be fixed because I fixed the problem. Anyways, enjoy the video.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Adam here, and welcome back to another video where today we are going to be doing video 2 out of 3 in this mini-series. And today, we're unboxing and looking at the Apple MagSafe Charger. So, let's jump right into it.
So, we are presented with a nice Apple box with MagSafe embossed on it. Taking off the peel, we can now get inside the box, which we do like this. Now, pulling out the charger itself, in the box there's just that extra paperwork that no one really cares about, and the package with "Designed by Apple" embossed on the box. Opening up the box, we can see the cable and the MagSafe puck. Now taking out the cable, we can now move on to taking out the puck. And the puck slides out just like this. Really simple, and there's no frosted plastic. So, first impressions, it's very well built. The silver is matte, so it won't get scratches. It's really nice, and then the white is pretty soft. Well, as far as chargers go. But that's everything that you get in the box, so let's jump right into the impressions. What I found interesting is that the silver is matte. It's also really small, and then it just goes on the back of your phone. It lines up perfectly, and it'll just pop on. So you can see, it's exactly like the Apple Watch charger. I would say my only complaint that I have about this is that the cable is just a little bit too short. One advantage that you can have using this MagSafe charger is cleaning up your desk setup. This is my current setup that I use, and as you can see, just looks nice and very minimal. And don't worry about it, it's very low key. You don't even know it's there because it's not even that high up. So you can just prop it down and then toss your phone on it and it'll charge. The animation's also very cool as well. But other than that, there really isn't much else. It's just a wireless charger for your phone. Very cool, very simple, and I like it.
So, that was Apple's MagSafe Charger. This enhanced Apple Watch charger for an iPhone is going to help Apple pave the way for the future of the iPhone that will be portless in the upcoming years. Now, would I recommend the Apple MagSafe Charger to anybody? Well, if you have $40 that you're willing to spend on a wireless charging device for your iPhone and only your iPhone, then go for it. But if you have an Apple Watch and your iPhone, then wait for the Apple Duo, the MagSafe Duo. But if you don't have an extra $40, then the cable in the box works just fine. But this is still a pretty cool piece of tech nonetheless. So, with that all being said, next video will be on video 3, which is going to be the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which I'm recording on right now. So thank you for watching this unboxing and first impressions of the Apple MagSafe Charger. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you really enjoyed it, then make sure to subscribe, that way you never miss out on another video. If you have any ideas for future videos or tests that you want to see me do with this phone, let me know down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.